Well. As promised, again in this matrix series, I welcome you all guys for the next example, जिसमें we are going to solve a big matrix, a series of matrix का algebra पूरा होने वाला है यहाँ पे. Algebra of matrix ही चलने वाला है basically. They have asked us to find out, we have to not just find out, we have to show that whether this entire equation is equal to 0 or not. So it's a kind of a equation type of question only, whereupon your a is x. If you consider your x as a, so you get it over here x square minus 2a plus, let's take 20 only. So this is kind of x square x. So this is kind of your quadratic equation type only, just that now this has been converted into a matrix. And now using the matrix operation and matrix algebra of matrix, we are going to prove that we are going to show that whether this entire equation is equal to 0 or not. Now if I want to say that this entire thing is equal to 0, it means that मेरे को एक ऐसा मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा जिसमें सारे एलिमेंट्स क्या होंगे जीरो. Such matrix is known as zero matrix or null matrix, and often we can write it as 0. So whenever I find that I have a matrix which is in such a way that सबके elements 0, it is okay for me to write it in this way also, because there is no harm and foul in writing this. Okay, they are one and the same thing because they represent 0 only. Okay, so let's just move on with the example part. First we will find out step by step the things that we need to put over here. So first we will find out a square. Okay, solution has been started now. I have started my solution part now. First we will find a square. Then we will find twice a. Let me just take the different color. Twice a. And I have intentionally taken 0 a lot. So that it will help us in solving it quickly. Anyways, and then lastly I will find out what 20 into I is. So let me just keep it in this one for now. Now what a square is a into a, and what a into a is nothing but this entire matrix, that is 1 0 1 2 0 2 1 0 2 1 0 0 1 2 times 1 0 1 2 1 0 0 1 2. Now what I will suggest you guys is pause the video, try it yourself. I cannot just stop the video. It's not possible that way. So it's up to you guys. You gotta have to do it by yourself. Okay. So anyways, I hope you all have done that and you are just checking your answer. So what it will be? First we have to check the multiplication is possible or not. Possible है कि नहीं वो चेक करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, 3/3 और 3/3 order लिखना पड़ेगा. Now I have to check the column and the row. If they are same, then and only then the product is possible. The multiplication is possible. And over here we can see that the column and row are the same, and hence I can say that yes, I can multiply these two matrices, and the multiplication will take in this form that this entire row will be multiplied by 3 entire columns, so that we will get 3 entire numbers. Okay. हाँ, सब मैं 3 अलग अलग कलर लेता हूँ. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1. I would rather now write quickly. 0 times 2 is 0, and 1 times 0 is 0. So you see now how simple my calculation got. That's why I have introduced zeros a lot. At least 2-3 zeros are there. Anyways, then again 1 has been multiplied by 0, so it gives me 0. Again 0 has been multiplied by 1, it will give me 0, and 1 has been multiplied by 1, so it will give me 1. Well, very nice. Then finally this one is going to get multiplied with this one for the third element of the first row. Then 0 is going to multiplied by 0, so it will give me 0, and 1 has been multiplied by 2, it will give me 2. And that is my first row. Voila. Next pen for the next row. And now this 2 is going to get multiplied with this column first, then second, then third. So let's just move on with 2 times 1 will give me 2, plus 1 times 2 will give me 2, plus 0 times 0 will be giving me 0. Again, this 2 times 0 will give me 0, plus 1 times 1 will give me 1, and 0 times 1 will give me 0. And finally, for the third element of the second row, I will repeat the procedure that this 2 is going to multiply with this one, so giving me 2. This one is been multiplied with 0, giving me 0, and this 0 is been multiplied with 2, giving me 0. and here we have achieved the first two rows of the matrices A square. Lastly, this entire row is going to get multiplied with these and these columns. Okay, so 0 times 1 will give me 0, 1 times 2 will give me 2, and 2 times 0 will give me 0. Okay, so now again 0 times 0 will give me, let me just erase, it's really messy out over here. One, okay. Yes, so what it is? 1 0 2. Yes. Now where was I? Now this again, this last row is going to get multiplied with second column. So 0 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, and again this last row is going to get multiplied with last column, giving me the third element of third row and third column, A33 you can rather say. So 0 times 1 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, and thus giving me a 3 by 3 matrices in such a way that I'm having my elements over here as 1 1 3 4 1 2, finally 2 3 4, and this is my 3 by 3 matrices, friends. Now I'm going to move on with finding out twice A. So what my twice A is, 2 times matrix A. What my matrix A looks like, 1 0 1 2 1 0 0 1 2. Let me just check whether I have written it correct or not. I have. And now what this means is nothing but I'm going to take the scalar multiplication of these two with each and every element of the matrices A. So it tells that you multiply the scalar number 2 with the entire matrix A, So each and every element of the matrix A is going to get multiplied with 2, and thus giving us the new matrix in this form. So twice A is equal to 1 into 2, 0 into 2, 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 1 into 2, 0 into 2, 0 into 2, 1 into 2, 2 into 2, and finally my 2A is going to be equal to 2 0 2 4 2 0 0 2 4. Okay, and now for the last part I need to calculate 20i. Now remember one thing, जब अपन types of matrices पढ़ रहे थे, I represents the identity matrix or unit matrix, which is nothing but a matrix in such a way that the entire diagonal elements are 1 and rest all the elements are 0. Let me just give rest all the elements are 0. And so now writing it in this way, so 20 is the scalar number which is going to get multiplied. Now very important concept, अब बहुत important बात बोलने वाला हूँ मैं, is that the very basic thing that हमने जो identity matrix पढ़ा था वो 2 by 2 का था, 3 by 3 का था. यहाँ पे कौन सा identity matrix यूज होगा? Well, tell me about this. यहाँ पे ये मैट्रिक्स कितने बाय कितने का है? 3 by 3 का है. So ये आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स कितने का होगा? डेफिनेटली 3 by 3 का ही होगा. And 3 by 3 का आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स looks like in this way: 1 1 1 and this completely 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. It's a very favorite matrix of mine, and one of the matrix which is very simple to solve. Believe me guys, very simple. Okay, let me just write the 20 bit up. Yeah, and now just the same process that we did over here, and remember that since entire term is 0 except the diagonal, so what I'm going to get is the diagonal element as 20 and rest as 0 0 0 0 0 0, and so this is my 20i. And so now I have all the ingredients that I wanted to make my paneer bhurji, not paneer bhurji. I wanted to find a square minus 2a, what was it, plus 20i, is that equal to 0 or not? So let us check whether it is equal to 0 or not. A square is what? 1 1 3 4 1 2 2 3 4 minus twice a is what? Let me just directly bring it down. No, I will write it down. 202. Are you guys going to able to see this? Okay, let me just bold it a bit. Yes, now let's hope that you will be able to see. Plus, and lastly this is 20, 20 0 0 0 20 0 0 0 20. Okay, algebra of matrices, very simple. 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 0 minus 1, 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 4 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 0 minus 2, 2 minus 0 minus 2, 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 4 0. So this is what I got by taking the subtraction of these two matrices. And now going to get add with, I'm going to get add with this identity matrix 20 0 0 0 20 0 0 0 20. If I get over here the addition of this entire matrix as 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, then I can say that yes, it is equal to 0. And if not, then I would say that yes, the entire equation was not equal to 0. So yeah, okay. Which color should I take now? Let me take the glitter one. Bold kar do. Minus 1 plus 20 plus 19. Minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. 1 plus 0 1. So clearly it is not equal to 0. 0 plus 0 0. Minus 1 plus 20 19. Minus 2 plus 0 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0 minus 2. 1 plus 0 1. 0 plus 20 20. So this is not equal to 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and thus therefore a square minus 2a plus 20i is not equal to 0. So यहाँ पे अपन ने डिटेल में मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन सीखा, अपन ने स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स सीखा, स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन विथ आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स सीखा, एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड एडिशन ऑफ टू मैट्रिसेस सीखा. Subtraction and addition of the two matrices सीखा. So now I can say that you guys are very well aware of with addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrices. हाँ, अब आगे भी बड़े प्रॉब्लम्स हैं ICAI के इंस्टीट्यूट के हिसाब से अगर आप देखोगे. So there are few more word problems ahead. जैसे ये एक वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है जिसका अपन ने लिया था रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स के लिए. So वो भी तुम कर सकते हो. You just have to multiply the matrices. So if I have my matrices over here, yeah, what we have to do is we have to multiply these matrices with these. So you just have to write 25 25 15 20 30 10 is going to get multiplied with 1200 1600. आप इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन लो, you will get the answer. It's very simple. That is homework for you guys. So okay, then in the next video we will move on with the new topics now of matrices. Let's hope that मैंने यहाँ पे टिक कर दिया है, आप भी आपके इसमें टिक करके उसको खत्म कर दीजिए. It's really simple guys, it's really simple. You just have to follow the concept, that's it. एडिशन करा तो ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट रिस्पेक्टिव एलिमेंट के साथ में एडिशन होगा. मल्टीप्लिकेशन रहेगा तो पहले मैट्रिक्स का रो दूसरे मैट्रिक्स के कॉलम के साथ में मल्टीप्लाई ऐड होगा. वैसे ही चलते जाएगा, जितने नंबर ऑफ रोज रहेंगे उतने नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स भी आ जाएंगे और अकॉर्डिंगली वो फिर होते रहेगा, वो है ना. पहला अगर आपके पास में पहले मैट्रिक्स में 3 रोज है और दूसरे मैट्रिक्स में लेट्स से है 3 कॉलम्स है, तो पहला रो 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई ऐड होगा 3 कॉलम के साथ में, तो आपको 3 अलग अलग क्वांटिटीज मिलेगी, एंटिटीज, एलिमेंट्स. फिर ऐसे आपको और 2 रो के लिए करना है. सो यू विल गेट द कंप्लीट मैट्रिसेस. Anyways, we are done with the definition part, type of matrix, algebra of matrix, and now we will be moving with the determinant of the matrix in the next session. One of the very most important concept in the matrix chapter. So that's it from me, guys. Thank you.